Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zendesk easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. Navigate to the Zendesk homepage. Look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you'll find several plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your business needs. Once you select a plan, click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again. After that, provide your company's name. You will also need to fill in your phone number. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Once all fields are completed, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your email address. Check your inbox for the confirmation email. Click the verification link in the email. After verification, return to the Zendesk dashboard. You may be prompted to complete your profile information. Fill out the necessary details to help customize your experience. Once finished, navigate to the main dashboard. Explore additional settings to tailor Zendesk to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.